Mrs. Seema Gopalgangar, your presence today is a testament to the importance of impact of scholars at school. Thoughts are deeply appreciated. Today's gathering is to learn and to grow. We hope that you find inspiration and value in every moment. In the spirit of collaboration and community, let us make this event a memorable and impactful one. Let us leave here not just with the new knowledge, but the motivation and to apply what we have learned and the connections to make the real difference. Once again, welcome and thank you for being here. Let's make the ushering of a life knowledge and positivity. As we light this lamp, we are not just illuminating the space, but also igniting this power with each of us, with light and renewal that will guide us in our all endeavors.
National Space Society. It's backed by NASA. They call for projects. These projects are based on space living. So, as we all know, Earth will be uninhabitable soon, and there's overpopulation. So, NASA is finding different ways and different avenues where we can live. And as part of this, there's so much budget being spent. There's billions and billions of dollars going into this research. So as part of that, they want to involve young minds and brilliant students to see if they have any other better ideas. So as part of that, space living is one of the ideas. So they call for projects where it's possible to live in space and it should be self-sustainable. As you know, it's impossible to find oxygen or carbon dioxide or water or any plants, living beings in space. So how do we provide that in space without being dependent on Earth for everything? So these kind of projects they call for every year, and out of that projects they select a certain number of projects and they invite the students to the second level. The second level would be ISDC conference, which happens in the US every year. ISDC is International Development Space Conference. International Space Development Conference. So every year the students attend that conference. For example, this year 28,000 students from India applied to this conference, out of which only a few hundred were able to go to this conference. And 167 students out of these few hundreds are from Sri Chaitanya, out of which 90 students belong to North India. So 90 of these 167 that went from Sri Chaitanya belong to North India. But when we first submitted the projects, about 62 projects got selected from Sri Chaitanya itself, and out of which 9 projects are world's first winning projects, and 11 are world's second winning projects, and 15 are world's third winning projects. So there's maximum contribution from Sri Chaitanya, and once when they reach the conference, they normally typically they tend to interact with a lot of eminent people, a lot of astronauts, a lot of researchers, a lot of these space development project programmers and all of that. So it's very inspirational for the students, and they're super self confident, and that's why they were able to get there.
रियान।
हाँ बेटा, आप गए थे नासा, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्या सीखा आपने?
वो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था और हमें न्यू चीज़ें देखने को मिली और हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा, जैसे कि जो हम यहाँ पे नहीं सीख सकते वहाँ पे भी हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा और एस्ट्रोनॉट से भी मिलने का चांस मिला।
हाँ जी, अर्शदीप, आप नासा गए थे, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्या कुछ सीखा आपने?
It was really very great experience. We got opportunity to meet our astronauts, which was really a great success for us. And our principal ma'am, Dr. Inderjeet Kaur, she has really supported us a lot. So firstly, I would like to thank to her for this success. She is very much responsible for our this success, and we get much of knowledge like about astronauts, about space. It was really great experience, and it will also help me that I can choose my future goal.
Thank
That's
you.
हम सरगुन कौर बुलाया है
अभी आप नासा होकर आए हैं, आपने यहाँ का विजिट किया, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था, क्या कुछ सीखने को मिला आपको?
हमें बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिला हमारे स्कूल श्री चैतन्या की वजह से। हम बहुत ग्रेटफुल है अपने स्कूल के लिए कि हमें इतनी एज में इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस और नासा की लेबॉर्ट्री देखने को मिली।
क्या कुछ टेक्नोलॉजीज थी वहाँ पे, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
उधर काफ़ी टेक्नोलॉजीज़ थी, मेनली एयर टेक्नोलॉजीज़ थी, लाइक जेट प्रॉपल्शन लेबॉर्ट्री हम गए थे जो कि लॉस एंजल्स में स्थित है।
ठीक है, तो इसरो के बाद अब नासा, आप डायरेक्ट नासा पहुँच गए, तो कौन कौन वहाँ पर लोग और स्कूलों के भी बच्चे आए हुए थे, कैसे आपके स्कूल के बच्चे थे?
मेनली श्री चैतन्या के सबसे ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, 140 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स थे श्री चैतन्या के जो कि नासा लेबॉर्ट्री जाके आए थे।
ठीक।
हम चक्रपाणी जैन हैं।
हाँ, तो चक्रपाणी कहाँ गए थे आप?
सर हम अमेरिका को टूर करने गए थे, श्री चैतन्या स्कूल हमें लेके गया था।
जी, कहाँ पर गए थे?
हम अमेरिका में लॉस एंजलिस में गए थे और बाद में हम सैन फ्रांसिस्को स्टेट भी जाकर आए थे।
कितने दिन का टूर था, कहाँ पर कहाँ घूमे आप?
सर विद ट्रैवलिंग ये 14 to 15 डेज़ का टूर था।
कहाँ गए?
सर हम काफ़ी जगह घूमे, जैसे सैन डिएगो सी वर्ल्ड, यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज़, फिर हम गोल्डन गेट भी गए थे वहाँ पर, और भी बहुत सारी जगह हमने घूमी थी।
नासा गए थे आप?
नासा के हम लेबोरेटरी भी गए थे।
तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था?
बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस था। हमें इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में हमें सब देखने को मिला। इट वाज़ अ वेरी ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस।